If you want to lock apps on Xiaomi 17T or 17T Pro, then in that case you can open the settings on your phone, then we're gonna scroll down and we need to find the apps option. In apps you should be able to find the app lock over here, so let's select it. Then you have the password type selection, so you can either use the screen lock password or you can create or use the privacy protection password. If you didn't set up the privacy protection password just yet, then you can turn it on and then you can set it up. By default, we can use 6-digit PIN in order to set up the password, but you can tap on other screen lock types in order to choose something different. Let's say I'm gonna use a pattern. So then enter your password that you wish to use for the app lock or for privacy protection. Then enter the same password again in order to confirm and press OK. You can also use your Xiaomi account to be able to reset your password in case you forget it. Of course, if you forget the password and you don't have the account assigned, then it might be difficult to actually restore the access. So it's up to you if you want to use it or not. Now, once you go through and you have this list of apps, these are only suggestions and you can actually uncheck them. So the phone will suggest you to immediately lock these apps that you have in here, but you can, of course, uncheck them and then you can choose Use App Lock. Now over here we have the list of apps that we can lock quite easily. So let's say I'm gonna lock YouTube, I'm gonna lock the Messages app, and there we go. Now besides that, we have a couple of suggestions that you will see in here, like for example, you can immediately add fingerprint to have easier access to those locked apps. You can also hide sensitive notifications. You can also tap on the setting in the upper right corner, where we have a couple of additional options, like for example, we can change the password type and so on and so forth. So now, since I have locked these apps, if I try to open any of them, as you can see, I actually need to enter the password. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.